Yeah, sorry, my video keeps cutting out. So what you could do is, if you look at sort of 11 digits long, the first digit could be 1, and if it is, there's a 10-digit code. So there's C10 ways of doing the last 10 digits. Or you could start with a 0, and it's not quite C10 digits long, because there's the possibility of having 2 zeros here. But if it does have 2 zeros, the next one has to be a 1. And so it has to be C7 digits long. Sorry, it has a C7 number of ways of having these 2 zeros at the start. So it's C10 minus C7. Okay, so that's actually a really nice recurrence because you have C11 equals 2 times C10 minus C7. And if you continue this, you should get it.